We'll guide you through how to understand Claude King, the AI language model. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude AI website on your desktop browser. Once you're there, you'll want to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see an intuitive dashboard that allows you to interact with Claude. Start by typing a simple query or command in the input box. You can ask Claude questions or request it to perform specific tasks. Press Enter, and Claude will process your request and provide a response. It's important to remember that Claude is designed to understand natural language, so feel free to communicate as you would with a human. If you're curious about Claude's capabilities, try asking it different types of questions, ranging from factual inquiries to creative prompts. For a more in-depth understanding, explore the settings and customization options available. You can adjust how Claude interacts with you by tweaking these settings to better suit your needs. If you encounter any issues or need additional support, check out the help section or community forums on the website for more guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.